Forget pills. These three breakfast foods rebuild your brain's communication highways. Let me ask you something important. You walk into a kitchen, your kitchen, the one you've lived in for 20 years, and you completely forget why you went in there. You stand there, blinking, like a confused golden retriever. Sound familiar? If you're over 60 and you've been chalking this up to just getting older, I need you to stop right there. Because what I'm about to share with you could genuinely change your mornings, your memory, and your mental sharpness, starting in as little as 7 days. And it all begins before breakfast. Your brain is not broken, it's hungry. Specifically, it's starving for the right nutrients at the right time. The fog you feel, that sluggish, where did I put my glasses feeling. Scientists now call it cognitive inflammation, and food is both the villain and the hero in this story. So let's talk about 3 foods that can begin reversing that fog almost immediately. Food number 1, wild blueberries, not regular blueberries, wild ones. These tiny purple powerhouses contain something called anthocyanins, antioxidants that literally cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce neurological inflammation. A study from Tufts University found that older adults who consumed wild blueberries daily showed measurable improvements in memory recall within weeks. Throw a handful in a smoothie, on Greek yogurt, or just eat them by the fistful like the brain warrior you are. Food number 2, fatty fish, specifically sardines or salmon. Your brain is 60% fat. I know, weird sentence, but it means your brain needs omega-3 fatty acids to function. DHA, a specific type of omega-3, actually rebuilds the protective coating around your neurons. Think of it like reinsulating old electrical wires. When those connections are sharp, your thoughts travel faster, your recall improves, and that fog starts lifting. Eat fatty fish at least 3 times a week. Your neurons will send you a thank you note. Mentally, of course, because they're neurons. Food number 3, eggs, especially the yolk. For years we were told to fear the yolk. Terrible advice. Egg yolks are one of the richest dietary sources of choline, a nutrient your brain uses to manufacture acetylcholine, which is literally your memory neurotransmitter. Low choline equals low recall. It's that direct. 2 eggs every morning before 9 a.m. can meaningfully shift how your brain performs throughout the day. Now, here's where I have to be honest with you. Even if you eat perfectly, some of us over 60 have nutritional gaps that food alone just can't fill fast enough. And this is where I want to tell you about something that's been quietly changing the game for thousands of people. It's called omega-3 fish oil with high concentration DHA. And there's an excellent, highly rated option available on Amazon right now. Brands like Viva Naturals Triple Strength Omega-3 Fish Oil are formulated specifically for cognitive support, with clinical doses of DHA that you'd struggle to get from diet alone. We're talking the equivalent of eating salmon basically every day, but in 2 small capsules. Look, I'm not saying it's magic. I'm saying my neighbor Gerald started taking it in January, forgot he was forgetful by February, and by March he was beating his grandson at chess. Gerald is 71. His grandson is a college student. The fish oil did that. The link is right below this video in the description. Seriously, go check it out. Read the reviews. People in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s are talking about noticing differences within the first week. So here's your action plan, starting tomorrow morning. Wild blueberries with breakfast, 2 eggs, and if you're serious about accelerating your results, grab those omega-3 capsules from the link below. It remembered birthdays, raised children, survived decades of chaos and joy. It deserves to be fed properly. Start tomorrow, before breakfast. Your sharpest years might still be ahead of you. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.